drops in COVID-19 and RSV notifications over the last week. As encounters with sharks increase off Sydney, a local spear fisherman has had the closest one yet, circled by a great white at Maroubra. Both hunters kept a close eye on each other before connecting in a dramatic face-off.
The ocean is where spearfishing Dean goes to find